Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we going to know the colors name. Brown color, sky blue color, light green color, blue color, red color, purple color and pink color. Now let's learn the alphabet A to Z. First A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Next kids, C for car. C for car. Next D for dolphin. D for dolphin. Next E for elephant. E for elephant. Next kids, F for fish. F for fish. Next kids, G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Next H for house. H for house. Next kids, I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next J for jam. J for jam. Next K for king. K for king. Next L for lion. L for lion. Next kids, M for moon. M for moon. Next kids, N for nest. N for nest. Next O for octopus. O for octopus. Next P for parrot. P for parrot. Next kids, Q for queen. Q for queen. Next kids, R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Next kids, S for sun. S for sun. Next T for time. T for time. Next U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next V for van. V for van. Next W for water. W for water. Next kids, X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Next kids, Y for York. Y for York. Next Z for zebra. Z for zebra. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for car, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for time, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for York and Z for zebra. Now the small capital A for ant. Next B for bear. Next kids, C for caterpillar. Next D for deer. Next kids, E for eye. Next kids, F. F for fan. Next kids, G. G for grapes. Next, H. H for horse. Next kids, I. I for ink. Next kids, J. J for jellyfish. Next, K. K for kite. Next kids, L. L for light. Next, M. M for monkey. Next, N. N for nose. Next, O. O for orange. Next kids, P. P for peacock. Next, Q. Q for quail. Next kids, R. R for rat. Next kids, S. S for star. Next kids, T. T for tiger. Next, U. U for uniform. Next kids, V. V for vegetable. Next, W. W for watch. Next kids, X. X for xylophone. Next, Y. Y for yo-yo. Next kids, Z. Z for zoo. What we learn? We learn A for ant, B for bear, C for caterpillar, D for deer, E for eye, F for fan, G for grapes, H for horse, I for ink, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for light, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for star, T for tiger, U for uniform, V for vegetable, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zoo. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.